And today we're going to be making some stone ground sourdough bread. And for our mixing, first start by adding all our dry ingredients into the machine bowl and the liquid. Now we're going to put our bowl onto the machine and then we're going to knock it up onto second speed for 10 minutes. Our dough's now ready, so we'll be getting it off the machine, but first we need to be checking to see if it's got a nice window. And we're going to be leaving that there for around about 6 hours. It can take longer. Now I'm going to be scaling this off into 1 pound pieces. And then for moulding the bread, all we do is get hold of it, pull it out a little bit, and just fold it over. It's very much like doing normal bread. So all we're going to be doing with these now is popping them into bread tins. And we're going to be leaving that there for around about 6 hours. Our sourdough bread is ready. So we're going to be baking it in the oven for around about 30 minutes at an oven temperature of 210 Celsius. Right, we'll get them straight into the oven. Now I've got the bread into the oven, I'm going to be spraying the inside of the oven with water. Our sourdough bread's ready. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget to check the description for your recipe. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!